Hello, today I'm up on Woodbury Common beside the old Black Hill quarry. They stopped using it up here for the last, I don't know, 8-10 years or so, and now letting it go back to nature, how it used to be before we came along and made a scar in the landscape. Quarried for shingle, pebbles and the such like. But yeah, it's all starting to come back again. Just goes to show, you leave things alone or give it a helping hand, nature will come fighting back, which is great. I think there's nightjars and little plovers, ducks and geese and all sorts of birds up here now nesting and bathing and what have you, newts and frogs. But yeah, man comes along and makes a bit of a scar in the landscape, but nature fights back. So I think we've been here for what, 100,000 years, exploiting the planet, but the planet's been here for billions of years, and it's going to be here for a lot longer than what we are. So yeah, nature will fight back, the planet will fight back, and we'll be long gone and something else will be here. What a happy thought. Anyway, have a good day. Thank you. Alright, Basil. What is it? Yes. Well, have you got your pebble? You got your pebble? Yeah. Come on then, let's be going. Bye.